Today we will discuss quadratic equation. We will discuss its theories और उसके बाद हम कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे जो लास्ट ईयर एग्जाम में आया है. First thing is what is quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is in the form of px is equal to 0, where px is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial, and quadratic polynomial quadratic polynomial is written as p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, whose highest degree here is 2. It is a quadratic polynomial, and when we will find its solution, the zeros of the polynomial we will get, हमको मिलेगा zeros of the polynomial if we will take the solution of p of x. That is same as we will see the roots of the quadratic equation. Zeros of the polynomial, zeros of this polynomial is same as the roots of the quadratic equation. This is a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. This quadratic polynomial has two zeros, and it is same as if you will solve it. For px is equal to 0, we will get two roots of the quadratic equation. And the standard form of this quadratic equation, standard form of quadratic equation, show ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a, b are coefficients of x square and x respectively, and here we have to take a not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, then it becomes a linear equation. ये एक linear equation हो जाएगा. And let x is equal to alpha is a root of this equation, a root of this quadratic equation. That means x is equal to alpha will satisfy this quadratic equation, and we will put x is equal to alpha, and we will get a alpha square. What we get? A b alpha plus c is equal to 0. This is the root which will satisfy the quadratic equation. For example, if you see this question, you see here, which come in 2018, you will see it is written as if x is equal to 3, 1 is one root of the quadratic equation, x square. That means here the equation is quadratic. What is the quadratic equation is given? X square minus 2kx minus 6 is equal to 0 is the given quadratic equation. And here x is equal to 3 is the root. X is equal to 3 is a We are not bothering about the another root. X is equal to 3 will satisfy this x square minus 2kx minus 6 equal to 0. अगर हम x की जगह में 3 पुट करेंगे तो विल गेट 3 स्क्वायर minus 2k multiplied by 3 minus 6 will be equal to 0. This implies that 9 minus 6k minus 6 equal to 0, or 6k is equal to 9 minus 6, or k is equal to, that is equal to 3, k is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. That we will get. Okay. Now for solution of quadratic equation, how I will get the solution? The solution कैसे निकालें? Solution meaning we have to find the two roots of the quadratic equation. And what is the standard form? Then that we have to write. This is the standard form. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you divide both sides by a. It will become x square, हमको मिलेगा x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. Now we have to make it in square form. How? This is x square, we can write it as 2, हमको ये लिखेंगे b 2 x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. This b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square will cancel out, and we will get the same thing as the original quadratic equation. Same thing actually, just we are rewriting it. Now we write x minus x plus b by 2a whole square, that will be equal to b square by 4a square minus c by a, that is b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Now taking square root for both the sides, x plus b by 2a will be equal to square root of b square minus 4ac plus minus divided by 2a. Here one thing I am mentioning, suppose you are taking in square root of any number, suppose you are taking square root of 25, you have to write simplified, no plus minus 5. Okay. Suppose you are taking the square root of a variable, that is x square, square root of x square, we will get plus minus x, that you remember. This implies x is equal to minus b by 2a plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The same as minus b, we can rewrite minus plus minus, हमको ये मिलेगा b square minus 4ac by 2a. We have two roots now. One is alpha and another is beta. Which are these two roots? Alpha and beta, we will write it. Alpha is two roots, one is alpha. Alpha we take it as minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and another we will write beta, which is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are two roots. Okay. Next we will take sum of the two roots. What we will get a sum of two roots. Sum of two roots meaning alpha plus beta. We can write minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac square by 2a into a as LCM. We will get minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus b square minus 4ac and these two things will cancel out, same b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac under root. We will get that is minus 2b by 2a, or this is same as minus b by 8. This is the sum of two roots, minus b by 8. Now for the product of two roots, one is your alpha and another is beta. If you take product, then you will get minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a multiplied by minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is equal to minus b whole square, that is a plus b, a minus b. If you multiply, we will get a square minus b square, a square minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole square divided by 2a into 2a, that is 4a square. And alpha beta is equal to b square minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. So alpha beta is equal to b square minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square, that is equal to 4ac by 4a square, which is equal to c by k. This is the product of this. Now how we will form the equation. Suppose sum of roots are given and product of roots are given to us. ये हमको दिया गया है. सपोज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म जिसको है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है. व्हाट इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ये है कि ए एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0 और एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस बी माइनस ए एक्स plus c by a equal to 0. This is the standard form. And if we remember x square plus what is b by a? B by a is minus sum of roots into x plus what is c by a? That is product of roots. For the formation of quadratic equation, if two roots are given, then we can write it as x square minus sum of given roots multiplied by x plus product of roots is equal to 0. That is the standard form we can get when two roots are given. Okay. Now there is sum of two roots the two roots here, sum of roots anyway, the sum of roots and the product of roots. What is the nature of roots? Nature of roots, now we will see. Nature of roots is determined by discriminant D. What is D? D is the discriminant which is defined as D which is equal to B square minus 4AC, where B, AC are the coefficients of the quadratic equation ax square. There is a standard form we have to remember, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form. This is the standard form. If D is equal to 0, then we will find roots are real and equal. If D is greater than 0, we will find roots are real and unequal. If D is less than 0, we will find roots are not real. And you will see it is complex. What is not real? Root is not real. Yeah. Actually, roots we can also check. Alpha is equal to minus b plus minus alpha and beta. Alpha and beta is can be written alpha b square. Alpha is b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And here, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if you will put, then we will have alpha is equal to beta, or d is equal to 0. If d is equal to 0, alpha is equal to beta is equal to minus b by 2a. If d is greater than 0, then it is unequal. If d is less than 0, you see d is less than 0 means b square minus 4ac is less than 0, and square root of less than 0 means negative numbers is not real. Not real. With the square root of negative number is not real. Okay. Okay, we will solve some problems now. On the basis of this theory, we will solve the problems. Okay. First question is 4x square minus 5x plus 4. 4x square minus 5x plus 4 is the given quadratic equation. We have to find out its roots, nature of the roots, and nature of the roots will be determined by d. And d is equal to, we know that b square minus 4ac. Here b is equal to minus 5 minus 4 times a is your 4 and c is also 4. A is equal to 25 minus 64, that will come to minus 39, which is less than 0. So hence roots are not real. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial is same as the roots of the quadratic equation. Here we can do in two ways. You see, zeros of the polynomial meaning x square minus x is equal to 0. This implies x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 1 or 1. Two zeros we have already got minus 1 and 1. Then 1 is alpha, that alpha is equal to minus 1 and beta is equal to 1. This implies alpha plus beta is equal to 0. We can do here. Also, here it is written as x square minus 1. We can rewrite it as x square plus 0 into x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation in the standard form. Then what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta we know that minus b by a. In place of b it is 0, in place of a it is 1, that is equal to 0. Same thing. Okay. And next is another question. It comes in 2015. Okay. 2x square to solve. This is by factorization method. We will solve it. Factorization method. We will factorize it. That means we have to choose two numbers. Choose two numbers whose sum is 6 into root 3 and product is minus 60 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 120 minus 120. We have to choose two numbers in such a way that sum will be 6 into root 3 and product will be minus 120. Now I will write 2x square plus 10 into root 3 x minus 4 into root 3x minus 60 equal to 0. How you will do it? Sum is 6 into root 3. That means we have to write two numbers as that, something into root 3 plus something into root 3. You have to choose these two numbers actually. If you will see, That means 6 will be divided in such a way that these two sums will be equal to, these two products will be equal to 40. You have to choose two numbers, because suppose it is x and it is y, then it will be equal to x into y into 3. If it's product, we will take product. So into 3. That means product is 120, that means it is equal to 40. Like the product is minus 20 means it should be equal to minus 40. If you see 10 and minus 4, it is equal to minus 40. That you have to meticulously choose. Okay. Now we will get, if we take 2x as common, that is x plus 5 into root 3 minus 4 into root 3, if we will take as common, that is x minus 5 into root 3, that is 0. That is equal to 0. And now if we write taking x 5 by 3 as common, अब हमको मिलेगा 2x minus 4 into root 3 which is equal to 0. either ये 0 होगा, नहीं तो वो 0 होगा. That means x plus 5 into root 3 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 4 into root 3 equal to 0, or x will be equal to minus 5 into root 3, or x will be equal to 4 into root 3 by 2, that is equal to 2 into root 3. Solve for x. That means x is this one, x is this one, or x is equal to this one. Okay. Next question. Solve the following equation for x. 4x square plus 4bx minus a square minus b square equal to 0. Here also you have to think the product sum will be 4b, product will be minus 4 times a square minus b square. Here we can write it as, you see, if you will check 4x square plus 2a plus b into x minus 2 times a minus b into x and minus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Or we can write it as, now you can solve it. 4x square plus 2 times a plus b into x minus 2 times a minus b into x minus a plus b into a minus b is equal to 0. Or if you will take 2x as common, we will get 2x plus a plus b here minus ab, if we will take as common, a minus b will take minus a minus b. If we will take as common, we will get 2x minus 2x plus a plus b is equal to 0. This implies 2x plus a plus b into 2x minus a plus b is equal to 0. Either 2x plus a plus b equal to 0 or 2x minus a plus b equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus a minus b by 2. This is one value, or x is equal to minus है, that is plus है minus b by 2. These are the two values you will get. Okay. Now come to the next question. The sum of two numbers is 15. If the sum of the reciprocals is 3 by 10, find the two numbers. Here, let the numbers be x and y. Numbers are x and y. And according to the question, x plus y is equal to 15. And the reciprocals, that is 1 by x plus 1 by y, sum of the reciprocal is equal to 3 by 10. From here you will get, अगर हम एलसीएम लेंगे एक्स वाई, हमको मिलेगा एक्स प्लस वाई बाई एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू 3 by 10. फिर we have to put the values of x plus y, that is 15 by xy is equal to 3 by 10. This implies xy is equal to 15 into 10 divided by 3 is equal to 50. Now we can get x minus y from here. X minus y is equal to x minus y whole square is equal to 15 square a plus b whole square minus 4ab 4xy, that is equal to 225 minus xy is equal to 50 and to 200, that will be equal to 25. So x minus y is equal to 25 square root, that is equal to 5. Now x plus y is equal to 15 and x minus y is equal to 5. Adding this two, if you will add, then 2x is equal to 20, or x is equal to 20 by 2, that is equal to 10, and y is equal to 15 minus 10, that is equal to 5.